So you're going to come to the passenger side of your car, so driver's side on the passenger side. And you're going to want to look right underneath here, right there. You'll see this box right there. Now that's what you want to take off. And to do that, you have to undo the two sliding clips. Right, that looks like it should be good enough. So you want to slide this inwards and this one over here inwards. And then you can pull this down. As you can see, the inside of this thing that's come off is dirty, very dirty. So you want to bang that out, clean that off. But inside of there, if it doesn't fall down with it, will be your cabin filter. Gonna pull down on this. And now that is out. I'm just going to take this little protective bit out of here. There we go. So now it's just the raw filter itself. On the filter itself, you'll see which way the arrow is pointing. Now these ones are pointing downwards. So it was in there like this. So it went up and in there like that. So the arrow is pointing towards the inside of the car. So imagine that it's here, you're looking at it this way, the arrow points towards the driver's side. So when you're putting in the new filter, you want the arrow on there to point towards the driver's side of the car. Okay, here's the new filter. As you can see, a very big difference. This is actually white in comparison to that. Look at the difference. Night and day. So with this, turn it around, look for the arrow. See the arrow there pointing towards the car. So it's going to go in this way, facing towards the driver's side. So I'm going to put it back into this little case. Okay, so we've put the new filter back into this case thing. Exactly how it came out of the other one. And now you want to shove it back up into the hole there with the arrows obviously facing towards the driver's side. This is actually much more difficult to film than I thought it would be. Alright, seems to be going up. Alright, I just banged this piece on the floor a bit just to clean it out. Now you're going to want to put this back in. So you put that back up on there and slide the clips back. So that one there. This one here, I think this one goes over a bit more. Yeah, there we go. You gotta really get them up there. There you go. That's not coming down anymore. Yeah, once you've done that, you're finished. Sorry for the bad camera angles, but it's kind of a hard area to film in. But if you did like the video, like, subscribe, do all that stuff. And until next time, peace.